All right, today I just want to walk you through the customer journey or customer experience. We know it as Toast. It's our proven process. It's how we know how to deliver 5-star experience, and we believe that it works every time. If you look at our reviews, it proves that no matter who we have on the team, we follow the process, everything else falls into place. So whenever people call us, you have a couple different options. You can go online after you talk with us and you just fill out the information. You can get an instant quote, or our sales reps can typically bid things over the phone based off a little bit of information. We've done this a lot. Or we'd love to just come out and visit with you. Sometimes peeking over the fence or just seeing what you have in person is the best answer. And so we want to make sure we just do it the way that you want. After that, we'd like to go back to our office and work on your quote. You deserve for us to make sure that we thoroughly think through everything. We work the best possible price. Anticipate an email. Sometimes we can give you pricing on site and we can stand by that. But if you want a really good quality estimate that you can hold on to, go to your neighbors, that's the best way to do it. And then we want your business. So we're going to follow up. You called us and it's our job to make your life easier. So we're going to check in with you. And if you're not ready right away, we're not going anywhere. So we're ready when you are. Assuming everything works out, we're going to shake hands. We're going to agree on something. Our contract's simple. Our deposit's even easier. It's $250 plus any permits. That's it. That's all we want. If we do permits, it takes about 7 to 30 days to get those ran through. We love handling the permits because we know exactly what they want. We make it super simple. But if you don't have permits, we get started right away. Typical fences, we can get started within 7 to 10 days, maybe even sooner, depending on the time of the week. And we call the utility locates. So I would expect for those little flags, pop them in your yard and spray paint and everything else. While that's an inconvenience to you, it's even more inconvenient if we were to hit electric or gas and potentially hurt somebody. We have to call those in every 10 to 14 days. It's a state law, and those contractors typically don't let you know that they're coming, but they know how to navigate that. They mark hundreds of yards a week. And then right about when we get started, we'll send you a 50% draw. That's when we're going to actually do the draw on your project. That's where we procure the material and we're gearing up. We load the trucks and we make sure that we have a full commitment on the style. There's no other changes. And we'll text you the night before just so that way, if you forget or you just need to forward the message to your neighbor, we've got that handled. On the day of construction, you're going to hear from us a little bit more than usual. We're going to show up between 9:30 and 10:30 in most cases. We've got to load the crews. We've got to go over all the details, and that takes a little bit of time. And then either a sales rep or the project manager is going to come out and work with you through any other little questions or changes right before we get started. We just want to make sure that filter all that out and get you exactly what you want and get started on the right page. And then we'll just periodically check in. Typical jobs maybe last 2 to 3 days. Some fences a little bit longer. If we set the tone right, give the work order clear, and we double check it with you, you shouldn't have to hear from us much, but we're more than welcome to answer any questions you have. You just feel free to contact the office. And then on the last day, to let you know we're wrapping up, we're going to send you an invoice. Make sure it's accurate. It reflects everything we've performed. At some point, we do need to collect the money. That's just how that thing works. Whenever you're ready, we'd be willing to do or wanting to do a final walk with you. That way, make sure anything that may have been overlooked by either you or our installer, or maybe there's something we need to add that we didn't think of before. And so we'll do a final walk with you. We typically find that these are successful maybe a week after installation, 2 or 3 days. That way trash grows legs and walks around the yard or whatever else. We can go grab it then. We'll also go over your warranty, and then we want to make sure we thank you. We greatly appreciate everything you've done for us, and we hope that we met or exceeded your expectations. And we're going to ask you if we did. Those reviews are what keeps us in business. It's probably how you found us, or definitely how you felt like you could trust us. It's what the guys hold on to on the days that maybe they need to pick me up. We got 615 5-star reviews, and it's growing. So awesome to see who made the impact to your project. And then every couple of years, you're going to need to restain this. We restain fences. We make repairs. We want to make sure that your fence looks good just like the day you bought it. If you're not ready to buy yet, or maybe you're in a different buying process, you can always go online and just get some additional quotes with the online software. It's super easy, as well as be sure to share or contact us. Like, let other people know about it. Like, let your neighbors know about it. Oh, we don't want you to be a sales rep. We'll handle that, so that way you don't have to worry about your neighbors. And then if you go onto the warranty, we have a portal that's specific to you when you get your fence built, so you can expedite any kind of quick repairs or anything like that. It's directed towards our customer. Our reviews, those are really important. I want to really emphasize that what makes your project exceptional might not be exactly what the other person. So be sure to read through 3 or 4 of them. Hear how a different installer might have touched or worked through that project and it exceeded expectation, or a sales rep or whatever else. And so we want to be fully transparent as we walk through the entire customer experience. And this is our proven process we call TIPS.